In this lesson, we're going to talk about trust. Trust is something that affects all of our relationships. And if you haven't noticed yet, it has come up as an outcome in the giving or receiving of the previous gifts. Establishing trust in interpersonal relationships requires openness, honesty, and reliability. To give trust, one must be transparent about their intentions, communicate openly, and consistently demonstrate dependability. Trust can be given in many ways. Trust can be given through our actions. Did we respect someone's wishes? Did we keep a promise? Did we act supportive? Did we listen? Trust can also be given through our words. Are we providing words of support, acceptance, empathy, respect, and encouragement? On the receiving end, individuals need to be receptive to vulnerability, believe in the sincerity of the other person's actions, and actively engage in building a shared sense of reliability. When we receive someone's trust, it is in confidence that it will not be broken. A benefit of receiving someone's trust is that it enhances self-esteem and confidence as it signals recognition of one's abilities and integrity. When there is mutual trust, it enables us to work together more effectively, share responsibilities, and tackle challenges with a united front. Each person feels valued, leading to strengthened bonds and a more satisfying relationship. Most importantly, when there is mutual trust, this creates a sense of security, allowing for the free exchange of thoughts and feelings without fear or judgment. This satisfies the base human emotional need to feel safe. Now, when we break a person's trust, it is important to seek to repair that trust. Otherwise, this will lead to resentment and activates the core. This is where our next and final gift comes into play. I'll see you there.